Cooking is one of those activities that brings comfort and joy to many, whether you're a novice in the kitchen or an experienced chef. The right cookware can make all the difference, transforming a simple meal into something extraordinary. Today, we're reviewing this Utopia Nonstick Saucepan set with lid, a highly versatile and user-friendly cookware set. This set includes 2 saucepans, one 1-quart and one 2-quart, that are designed to deliver a superior cooking experience without breaking the bank. In this review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set. By the end of this review, you'll understand why this cookware set is perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, and anyone looking for efficient, durable, and easy-to-maintain cooking essentials. Key features and benefits. 1 set of 2 pans. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set includes 2 essential saucepans, a 1-quart and a 2-quart pan. These sizes are ideal for small to medium cooking tasks, making them perfect for preparing sauces, reheating leftovers, boiling pasta, or cooking smaller meals. Whether you're whipping up a quick lunch or preparing a delicate sauce, these saucepans have you covered. 2. Premium nonstick coating. Both saucepans feature a 2-layer nonstick coating, ensuring that food doesn't stick to the surface. This makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, as you don't have to scrub off burnt or stuck-on food. The nonstick coating also helps with healthier cooking, as you'll need less oil or butter to cook your meals. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce their calorie intake without sacrificing flavor or texture. Number 3. Durability and construction. With a thickness of 3 mm and a heat-resistant exterior paint, these saucepans are designed to last. The sturdy construction ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook evenly without hot spots or burning. These pans are crafted to withstand daily use, making them an ideal choice for both home kitchens and restaurant settings. 4. Compatibility with all cooktops. The 2-quart saucepan is induction compatible, meaning you can use it on any induction cooktop, as well as electric or ceramic stovetops. The 1-quart saucepan, however, is spiral-bottomed and works only on traditional stoves, so it may not be suitable for induction cooking. This makes the 2-quart pan versatile for a wide range of cooking surfaces. 5. Bakelite handles for comfort and safety. One of the standout features of the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set is its black Bakelite handles. These handles are heat-resistant, ensuring they stay cool to the touch even when the pots are hot. This enhances safety and comfort while cooking, as you don't have to worry about burning your hands. 6. Convenient glass lids. Both saucepans come with a 4 mm glass lid with a Bakelite knob. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without having to lift it, which helps retain heat and moisture. This feature is especially useful when making delicate sauces or simmering dishes. 7. Multi-purpose cookware. Whether you need to boil water for pasta, cook grains, heat soups, or prepare sauces, the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set can handle it all. The versatility of these pans makes them suitable for a variety of cooking tasks, whether you're preparing a hearty stew or reheating a quick snack. Performance review. Ease of use. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set is incredibly easy to use. The nonstick coating ensures that food slides off effortlessly, and the Bakelite handles provide a comfortable grip. Whether you're boiling water or simmering a sauce, these pans offer great control over the cooking process. Conclusion. This Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, whether you're an amateur home cook or a professional chef. The combination of high-quality construction, easy-to-clean non-stick coating, and versatile functionality makes these saucepans ideal for everyday cooking. The set offers great value for the price, and its thoughtful design ensures a seamless cooking experience. With their heat-resistant handles, durable non-stick surface, and compatibility with various cooking surfaces, the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set proves to be both a practical and efficient choice. While it's not suitable for induction cooking, with the 1-quart saucepan, the 2-quart pan's induction compatibility makes up for this limitation, ensuring that it meets the needs of most home kitchens. For those looking for affordable, reliable, and durable cookware, this set is an excellent investment. It checks all the boxes: ease of use, even heat distribution, non-toxic coating, and ease of cleaning. making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.